Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Danielle from LeggoMyPreggo. Today's video is a little different. It's still going to be a cook with me, clean with me, but also a little bit of pampering for mom, as well as a mini day in the life or an idea of what our life looks like on a day-to-day basis. So very much like a get it all done video. The kids were kind of messing around today, so I just decided to record them. Their dad was teaching them how to wrestle, and they just kind of took off and had fun with that. And then I recorded two of my boys coloring. One of my boys really has gotten into sketching and does Venom drawings and Spider-Man drawings, all things like Marvel and DC characters. So let's go ahead and get into it, and thank you so much for watching. So I just put a little dry shampoo in my hair, and it's not every day that I get a chance to actually wear my hair down considering what I'm doing. I don't know why I'm making that face. Maybe it's because I don't realize I'm doing that. Anyways, I'm not as irritated as I look, I promise. Either way, today was fun because I got to do my hair and a little makeup, and then I got to finish my video. So as you just saw Patrick running from the last screen, he had made a fort with his brother. He's 4, and naturally that's something 4-year-olds like to do. But we were done with it, and so we had to put all that away, along with some of the stuff in the baskets that was left over from our laundry day. So as I'm cleaning the baby's walker, I'm actually watching one of my favorite YouTube mamas, Tiffany Beeston, and I was watching her video that she uploaded from her son's birthday party for the shark party. It was absolutely adorable, and we were watching her make the cake. I'll put a little insert here, but you guys should really check her out. She's amazing, and she's one of the first mamas that I ever started watching on YouTube and cleaning videos and prep videos and stuff like that. So that was pretty fun to watch while we were doing this. So here I took a break for a minute to feed Charlie, and my husband was recording because he just started making an absolute mess of himself and me with his hummus and chips that he was snacking on. And it was just absolutely adorable, but it's all over me. So halfway through this video, I had to go change my pants as I was wearing the majority of the hummus. And then the other mama that I'm watching right now while I take a break is Emily Jackson from Crazy Cleaning Mama on YouTube. And she just had her baby and she puts out amazing cleaning videos, you guys. She does such amazing motivation. I absolutely love her. She has 4 kids and she puts them out at least once or twice a week. And she's on Instagram all the time if you want to see a bunch of baby spam. You should go check her out. Mr. Charles Wallace is just eating fistfuls of hummus at this point, and I'm telling you that's the best way to ever eat hummus in our house is just by the handful. Pretty sure he agrees. So I changed Mr. Hummus pants, and he's not very happy that I had to put him in his walker, but I had to clean up all that mess. So I had to grab him, put him in there, and kind of just grab the Bona mop and some spray and a towel and wipe that up real quick. Otherwise somebody was going to slip. At this point in my day, I was just about ready to have to go pick up the kids from school, and I needed to make a snack because I am 16 weeks pregnant, and when it hits you hard. So it's just some cream cheese. It's this Greek cream cheese, though. It's really good. It's from ALDI. And then some pepper jelly from Trader Joe's with some turkey lunch meat on a everything bagel toasted. I don't know if that sounds good to anybody else, but currently that's one of my weaknesses. Okay, a fangirl moment, you guys, but Tiffany Beeston just got this same butter dish, and they were talking about it on their Beeston Family Vibes page that she just ordered it from Target, and we have the same butter dish. It's amazing. Anyways, Mr. Charles is walking out to the car. He's just started walking about 2 months ago, and so now his little rain boots fit him, and he just likes to do absolutely everything himself because, of course, why not? He's walking now. So we got into the car to go pick up the kids. And trying to put the baby in the car seat while vlogging is a new experience for me. So that didn't work out so well. So I ended up having to put the camera down. But here we are, about ready to go. And pretty soon all the seats will be full of kids. Unfortunately, once I picked up the kids, I realized that I lost that footage. I've been doing that lately. But here we go. We have Samson, Elliot, and Maximus wrestling because they needed to get the energy out. And Scotty just ran in to swoop up Charles the baby so that nobody got hurt, ultimately you can't tell, but they're all pretty much just smiling and having fun. Boys are definitely hyper in this house. So tonight we are making one of the most requested dinners in my house. It is chicken and dumplings, old school chicken and dumplings. So that's what we made, as well as we made an apple pie dump cake. Again, one of our favorites. Super easy, super simple, only 3 ingredients. So I'm just chopping up the vegetables and adding everything to the pot. I will be sure to add the recipe in the description box as usual for both recipes. So while dinner was cooking, Elliot, my 11-year-old, and Maximus, my 9-year-old, were coloring and sketching, and I decided to record them because they've just had a lot of fun doing that and they see other people doing that. So anyways, this is one of Elliot's favorite things to draw. It's Venom versus Spider-Man, and he's actually getting really good at it, along with several other comics and characters. And then Maximus likes to make up a bunch of drawings and that he sees online or that he sees out of books, and he kind of mashes them together. So between the two of them, we kind of just recorded them, and it was pretty fun to see it in a time lapse. So maybe we'll do it again. So while the boys are helping put dinner away and Charlie is throwing all my Tupperware all over the kitchen, that is going to conclude today's video. If you guys are interested in more cleaning motivation, go ahead and check out the other videos that I've previously posted, and don't forget to subscribe if you like what you see. We try to put videos out Tuesday, Thursdays, and Saturdays. Thanks for watching, guys. See you soon.